Welcome back to Double J's List. This video is going to detail the repair and replacement of the outer casing of my 2002 Lexus LX 470's remote key. As you can see, it's a key for the vehicle, but it also has the keyless entry remotes integrated into it. This has developed an issue where even though this screw right here is tightened, you can see I've taped it, but now I've actually cut the tape. When you put the key in the ignition and turned it, it would actually pop apart, which was very frustrating. So, purchased a key kit off of Amazon. It actually even comes with a little screwdriver to repair it. Go ahead and open it up. And we'll take apart the old one. So I can already tell the old screw is a lot shorter than the new screw. So I wonder if that was part of the reason why these failed. The old screw and the new screw. The new key cover appears to be pretty much the same. I don't think it's an actual Toyota part. It says made in China on it. But we'll take a quick look. Get this to come apart. Oops. There we go. This looks like part of the old bracket that failed. So, looks like it comes with this piece. It goes inside. It's a pretty tight fit. It seems to be going. Take it out and try it the other way. It doesn't want to go that last little bit. It looks like it can go in either way, it just needs a little extra convincing. So I may just go in the garage and get a pair of needle nose pliers and see if I can push it the rest of the way. Try one more time. Yeah, that's the furthest it's gone. Alright. Alright, we'll try again. Yeah, it's going just a little bit now. Get the other side so it lines up a little bit nicer. And let's take a look. Yeah, it looks like it's lining up pretty good now. Now, we'll get the new remote. And place the old remote inside. Make sure the buttons line up. And then we'll place the key part in. And then the new backing. little snap. And just a little bit. Okay. I'm assuming it will snap. Let's take a look. Or I have to put it on the top. Aha. So you do the top part first, and then it should just swing into place. And there's a little gap at the bottom, but I assume it'll be fixed with the new screw. I'm using the handy screwdriver they provided. It's close. It's not a perfect fitment. As you can see, I'm afraid to scratch up the new case with the pliers, but if I can just give it a little pinch, maybe it'll click into place. I don't think so. I think that's as far as it goes. Oh, that went a little bit there. Give it a couple more turns with the screw. Let us. That's pretty close. It sure feels a lot more sturdy than before. There's also, you'll see a piece of tape covering up what I believe will be the Lexus logo. I'm guessing this was just a protective measure. Aha! And there we go. Just like new. Keys completely repaired now for the 2002 Lexus LX 470. Just like it was never broken at all. Ooh, the lights come on when you hit the buttons. Alright. Well, if you like that video and how it helped, just go ahead and click like and definitely subscribe. And there's going to be more coming up for the Lexus LX 470. Thank you.